Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today, you know I love my culture, and today I'm gonna try 3 new, well, to me it's new. I haven't tried them before. This is Red Stripe, and these are the flavored Red Stripe. Watermelon, lemon, and sorrel. I'm gonna try these for the first time. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion of what they taste like. I love beer, so I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. We're gonna try the sorrel. Maybe after I drink one, I should go rinse my mouth out. Then try the other, because I don't want the taste to conflict with each other. So, let me go get some water. Stay tuned. Also, I have somebody else who never tasted none of these before. And you're going to get my opinion and their opinion. So, right now.
Hot here?
Yes. Remember, this is the sorrel.
What alcohol percentage is that?
It's not that strong, but even with this, the sorrel, it doesn't really taste like a beer. It tastes like a spritz.
Mm-hmm.
And the sorrel is overpowering everything else,
What's the alcohol?
which is not bad. But it's like a cooler. It's even less than a cooler. Tastes like, you know what makes it good? The flavor, the sorrel flavor.
Yeah, it's good.
You know, that's my opinion. From 1 to 10, this taste, sorrel, I'll give it a 10. Everything else, 5. The beer flavor, 5. It still has a good sour flavor to it. That's it. Okay? And this is the sour. Now, lemon. Rinse my mouth out. I'm on the outside.
These are all coolers.
What do you think about the taste and the flavor?
I'll be a bad judge of a person because
No.
all of them taste like coolers.
But it tastes like cooler.
I mean, they all, like wine coolers are all just wine coolers. Kool-Aid to me.
Again,
It
the
tastes
lemony
like
flavor is
yeah,
it
yeah,
has a
the
nice
lemon
lemony
yeah,
flavor.
the lemon flavor is there.
But that's it. It's a regular cooler.
It's cooler.
Yeah, it's just
A
matter of fact,
Kool-Aid with a spritz.
it's a Kool-Aid with a spritz. It's a spritz. Kool-Aid's lemony spritz. That's all. All right. From 1 to 10, from 1 to 10, I give the flavor an 8, and everything else again a 5. All right. Watermelon.
Oh, snap.
All right. I want to be honest with you guys. How is that one?
I mean, watermelon got some nice smell. It's a very nice. I like watermelon
The flavor is it there?
though. It's really good. Watermelon seems to always make things taste
Okay.
good. That's really good.
Ooh. Whoa.
Watermelon's really good.
That don't taste like watermelon. It has more of a ginger taste.
Ginger.
It's more gingery.
That's it. There's
I
ginger
like
in
this
there.
one. Ooh, the ginger's strong.
Yeah. Yeah, they got the
Mm.
ginger. Yeah, ginger.
The ginger
That's
takes
what that
over.
is.
I don't even really taste the watermelon.
Watermelon in the
Yeah.
first three. Taste watermelon, but ginger goes. Ginger takes over.
So
Ginger, how is that even possible?
I know from with the red stripe watermelon, lemon, and sorrel. I'm sorry, but the watermelon
Yeah,
took the flavor, and they just shouldn't even name it watermelon.
No.
They should have named it
If it-
red stripe ginger.
it's like-
It has a nice ginger flavor to it.
I
so-
yeah, that's what that is. Ginger.
This is my opinion, her opinion, and again, red stripe, your watermelon / ginger
I know, right?
takes.
Where'd
This is
you
the
get
one I
these
love.
from?
And thanks guys for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.
Where'd you get those from?